Hey guys, just want to come at you with a housing report for November 2021. Let's jump right at it. I'm Tim Higham with Remax Core Realty here in Prince George. I just want to connect with you for 2 or 3 minutes and let you know what's been happening in the local housing market. We'll be looking at detached houses within the city limits. All right, jumping right to it. Sales, we had 96 compared to 85 last year. We're up 12.9% for sales. Active listings looking at 166. That's up from 140 last year. We're up 18.6%. So a rise in listings. All right. New listings, we had 86 compared to 67 last year. That is a rise of 28.4. So more new listings, more active listings, but sales were also up. Days on market average 43 compared to 27 last year. Now we're looking at an increase of 59%. Time on market is stretching out. More listings, still slowing a bit, right? Percent of original price, we've got 98 compared to 97.2 last year. Those are really close, not much to argue about. Still not a ton of wiggle room on houses, but that has dropped from the heat that we saw this summer where that was 100% or 101%. Price per square foot, we're looking at 204 compared to 183 last year. That's a rise of 11.5%. Average sales price, we're looking at 458K compared to 406 last year. That's a rise of 12.7%. And supply is looking at 1.9 months compared to 2 last year. Very similar. It's still a seller's market, but things have slowed a bit. What else can we talk about? Buyers, there's a little more selection out there for you right now. Relatively speaking, you're still going to run into competing offers on the best homes. At least that's been my experience. And sellers, it's still a great market for you, but you are going to have to be on your game in terms of pricing. If you're off the mark, you're going to be sitting and the days on market are going to be stretching out for you and you're not going to get top dollar. All right, that's it for me. If you want to chat at all, have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Give me a call or a text anytime at the number below. And until next time, take care.